If you have ever wondered whether sous vide cooking is worth the hype, this Greater Goods Kitchen sous vide machine has been our go-to for making easy and reliable at home. Right out of the box, the build quality is solid. The onyx black finish looks sleek on the counter and it just feels like a well-made kitchen tool. It's not flimsy, it's not cheap. What we appreciate most is the precision cooking. This immersion circulator gives you really consistent temperature control, which is the whole point of sous vide. When I cook steaks, chicken, or even veggies, everything comes out evenly cooked edge to edge. No dry spots, no guesswork. You set it, walk away, and it does the rest. The brushless motor means it heats up quickly and it keeps the water stable even for long cooks, whether it's a 1-hour chicken breast or a 24-hour short rib. It holds temp without fluctuations, which matters more than you think when cooking. It simply clips to a pot or the sous vide container, which I use this one. The controls are intuitive, it shows temperature and time clearly, and once you lock it in, it feels secure and stays put. It's quieter than what you would expect too. You can run it while you prep other dishes or even watch TV without feeling like you're in a machine shop. The difference in texture and doneness is noticeable. The steak comes out perfectly pink all the way through. You may want to sear it as soon as you take it out, but the inside, it's going to be perfection. Chicken stays juicy, no guessing if it's done or overcooked. Vegetables get even tender without turning mushy. The beauty of sous vide is that you get consistent results every single time, and this model makes that achievable without frustration or a steep learning curve. If you're serious about elevating your home cooking or just want to make reliably great meals without babysitting the stove, this sous vide machine is worth considering, you guys. It hits the sweet spot between power, precision, and ease of use without it being intimidating. I mean, look at this. Dinner is served.